Hey there. Welcome to Healthy Habits Journey. Looking to drop a couple of pounds and keep them off? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 18 fat-burning foods for women, and trust me, these aren't just any foods. These are your new best friends in the journey to a healthier you. Now, we all know losing weight isn't just about quick fixes. It's about making a lifestyle change, eating healthier, working out regularly, and staying consistent. But what if I told you there are certain foods that can make this journey easier and even more delicious? Let's kick things off with number 18, citrus fruits. These zesty little wonders don't just taste great. They also help prevent obesity-related diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So next time, when you're thirsty, why not add some lemon slices to your water? It's really refreshing and a total fat buster. Number 17, walnuts. These crunchy nuts are perfect for keeping those pesky hunger pangs at bay. Studies show they can help you feel fuller for longer, so you'll be less tempted to snack on unhealthy stuff. How about some popcorn for number 16? Yes, you heard that right. Air-popped, unsalted popcorn is packed with polyphenol, which improve digestion and blood circulation. Just make sure you skip the butter and salt. And don't forget about berries at number 15. Blueberries, strawberries, and all their berry buddies are rich in flavonoids, which have been linked to long-term weight loss. Talk about a very good choice. At number 14, we have oatmeal. This whole grain is a breakfast staple for a reason. It's packed with fiber that keeps you feeling full and satisfied, helping you power through your day without those mid-morning cravings. Plus, it helps regulate blood sugar, making it a smart choice for weight management. Number 13 is avocados. These creamy fruits are rich in healthy fats and fiber, making them perfect for curbing hunger and keeping your metabolism in check. They're also packed with vitamins that support overall health, so don't hesitate to add some slices to your salad or toast. Coming in at number 12 is cayenne pepper. This fiery spice is more than just heat. It contains capsaicin, which can boost your metabolism and help burn more calories. Sprinkle it on your favorite dishes and feel the burn, both in your taste buds and your fat cells. And at number 11, we have salmon. This nutrient-dense fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which not only support heart health, but also help convert fat into energy. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or smoked for a delicious way to stay on track with your weight loss goals. Coming in at number 10 is cinnamon. This aromatic spice doesn't just add flavor, it helps activate thermogenesis, which is your body's way of burning calories to produce heat. Sprinkle some cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or in your coffee to kickstart your metabolism. Number 9. Apples and pears. These fruits are high in fiber, helping you stay full for longer and regulate your blood sugar levels. A study even showed that women who ate these fruits regularly lost more weight compared to those who didn't. So, grab an apple or a pear for a snack that fights fat. At number 8, we have chicken. Lean protein is essential for building muscle, which in turn helps burn fat. Chicken is a great source of this lean protein, and studies have shown that boosting your dietary protein can help decrease body fat while increasing lean body mass. Number 7. Spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's been shown to help speed up weight loss by reducing hunger and cravings. Add it to your smoothies, salads, or stir-fries for a healthy boost. Next up, at number 6, we have whey protein. It's not just for bodybuilders. Whey protein supplements can help increase fat loss and build lean muscle. Whether you're making a post-workout shake or adding it to your morning smoothie, it's a powerful tool in your fat-burning arsenal. Cracking into the top 5, it's eggs. They're rich in protein and nutrients that support fat loss. Eating eggs for breakfast can help curb your appetite for the rest of the day, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan. Number 4 is milk. Not only is it a great source of calcium, but milk also helps build muscle, which is essential for burning fat. A study even found that milk drinkers gained more muscle mass than those who drank soy milk. So, whether it's in your coffee or cereal, make sure to include milk in your diet. We're down to the top 3. Coming in at number 3 is beans. These little powerhouses are packed with protein and fiber, making them perfect for keeping you full and your blood sugar stable. They also help reduce the risk of heart disease, so they're a win-win. At number 2, we have purple sweet potatoes. These vibrant veggies are rich in resistant starch, which helps reduce the risk of obesity by promoting fat oxidation and improving insulin sensitivity. Plus, they're naturally sweet and delicious. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, mustard. Surprised? You shouldn't be. Mustard can actually increase your calorie burn by 20%. Plus, it has 0 calories, so you can add it to your meals without any guilt. Spice up your sandwiches, salads, and more with this secret fat-burning condiment. There you have it, our top 18 fat-burning foods for women. Incorporate these into your diet, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe. Stay healthy and become wealthy.